Assalamu alaikum, guys. Youth, my youth, inshallah, I will speak in English in my videos every day, for every day, because my English is not good. Yeah, I understand very good, but I don't speak. My English level is A2, but I speak only A1 or beginner. That's why, inshallah, I will record a video every day and install to my Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok profiles. I need your support. Do you wanna support me? Like, comment, and save. You can do it for me. Thank you. See you soon.